This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept long array and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the long array. It has 5 long values. Then I am calling a sort method of arrays class and passing long array. What this sort method will do is it sort the long array content into ascending order. After sorting, I am displaying the long array content. Here you can see the output. Then I have defined the key as 10. Then I am calling a binary search method of arrays class and passing long array and key as 10. What this binary search method will do is it searches the key 10 in the long array and return the index of it. If you see, the key 10 is present in the second position, so we got index as 2. Before calling binary search method, the arrays must be sorted, else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, the long array content is sorted using sort method of arrays class. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.